Hello, busy professionals. I'm in Tulum, Mexico, and we're going to be visiting two properties. The first one is Jahista, and the next one is Lavalis. Now, these properties are what I would call barefoot luxury properties. Very nice, very minimal, but it gives you that unique feel when you want to get away from it all. So, if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Going to a boat.
Going on the water.
Oh, no, no, no.
All the people. Yeah, that's hard to see.
I'm going to show you this spectacular suite at Lavalis. We're here in Tulum, Mexico. Let's take a look.
So first, let me show you the living room. You can see great spacious sitting area. Let's go to the bathroom. You have an outdoor bath. It's gonna be interesting. Got the outdoor shower here. So you're all set. Hopefully nobody can see me. So the bed is very spacious. I like it. And if you can look real close, you have spacious. We're gonna set these down for the mosquito nets because we are in the jungle. But the crazy thing about this bed is it has rollers, so it can roll right outside. And this is my deck. So we're out here in the jungle. You can roll right here. And all this is yours. So now, imagine you and that special one, or your solo trip. You can just sit out here, enjoy the view outside, take it all in. Come back in the bed, you have your working area as well. Have your bathrobes that are included. You have your safe. Oh. So when you go up the staircase, come out, and this is your area. Look at that. All this is yours on your rooftop. So we got the plunge pool. All of this is yours. So number 10.
For use the key, this part
Up.
is up.
Okay. Nice.
First thing, in Mexico we don't drink water for the tap.
Okay.
We use filter water.
Filter
all the
water.
time.
Yeah.
We change it every day. If you need more, let me know. I can send you.
Okay. Got it.
Second important thing, in the bathroom, when you use it,
Mm-hmm.
please don't flush any toilet paper
Right.
in the toilet. You have to use the trash bin all the time.
Going through the jungle here to the pool. Just get that one?
Yes.
Okay. So we are riding the bike now through Tulum. See me, got my bike. Ah, what a day. Park our bikes. And now we're gonna trying to get some tacos.
Pizza too? Huh? The pizza.
Oh, I'm about to get that El Pastor.
Showtime!
Here we go!
Oh, please.
Oh, good.